Today we are going to see about pyrimidine dimer. It is a continuation of base excision repair. What is pyrimidine dimers? We know pyrimidines are cytosine and thymine. So dimer is nothing but a double bond which is between two cytosine or between two thymine or between one cytosine and thymine. It will be occurring due to ultraviolet rays exposure. Let us see pyrimidine dimers in detail. So here you can see two structures. This is a backbone of nucleotide, that is sugar plus phosphate backbone, and here these are our bases. So here for example they have mentioned two thymines. So on exposure by UV light there is a formation of double bond between the carbon atom of the two thymine, which is called as dimer formation. Hence it is very clear that the main source of dimer formation is ultraviolet rays exposure. So let us see the thymine dimer formations in detail and how it is repaired. So here it is a normal DNA. We can take it as a skin DNA because we are talking about skin today. So it is a normal skin DNA. On exposure to UV light, there is some defect in the structure of DNA. What it has happened? It is nothing but there is a formation of dimer between two thymines in the DNA strand. So now this has to be rectified, or this has to be repaired by our body immediately, because this condition is a normal process. It is occurring almost 50 to 100 reactions per second in our body normally, which is repaired by our repairing mechanisms. So as a result of this dimer formation, we will get two products. That is very important, which one is CPD dimer. CPD is nothing but cyclobutane pyridine dimers. Cyclobutane pyrimidine dimers. The another product is 6,4 photo products. So these are the products of thymine dimer formation. So once it has been formed, it has to be repaired by our body immediately. So we have already discussed about one of the repairing mechanism, base excision repair. That is also one of the type here, but there is one more important mechanism called photoactivation repairing. So what is photoactivation repairing? This is nothing but we have an enzyme which is called as DNA photolyase. So what is the function of this enzyme is, in presence of sunlight this enzyme will be activated. So once this enzyme is activated, it is going to break this bond between the two thymines. So this dimer formation will be removed or excised, and hence a normal DNA strand can be retained in our skin. So this is one of the mechanism of repairing. So another one mechanism is base excision repair, that we have already discussed in our previous video. So in base excision repair there will be presence of an enzyme DNA endonuclease. The DNA endonuclease will cut and remove the damaged part, and in that place with help of polymerase and ligase a new strand will be synthesized and it will be ligated. Hence as a result of dimer formation, our repairing mechanism will come into action to rectify it either by photoactivation method or by excision repair method. But at the end, if this repairing mechanism is not functioning properly, what it will be happening? So that is very important clinical condition leading to dimer formation which is not rectified, or we can tell it as, if the repairing mechanism is defect in thymine dimer formation, it will lead to a clinical condition which is called as, what is this? It is melanoma. So melanoma is a benign conditions. It is a benign condition. Here you can see a asymmetrical brown patches. So it is asymmetry and their edges will be elevated. It will be elevated above the skin and it is irregular. There won't be any regular shape and it can be more than 6 mm also. But if this is not rectified, it will lead to a malignant condition called skin cancer. So what is the pathophysiology behind the formation of melanoma? So when UV light is exposed to our skin DNA will produce what? Thymine dimer products. What are they? It can be CPD products or 6,4 photoproducts or one more reactive oxygen species. So this reactive oxygen species can lead to single stranded break or formation of oxidized pyrimidines. Hence all these are dangerous products formed in our body as a result of UV exposure. If not repaired, it will lead to mutation. So what is the result of this mutation? Why it is causing melanoma? Normally in our skin cells we have a cell called melanocyte. So this will be present in less number in our cells normally. So if this condition is mutated, these cells will be produced in increased numbers. Increased production of melanocytes, which is ultimately called melanoma. So this is how the UV exposure leading to a clinical skin condition of melanoma. Thank you.